Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a quick Worth the Hype video on the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation. This is the Luminous Makeup Nude Skin Feel and mine is in Porcelain L1. I've been using this now back and forth for a few weeks. I've been using this in between using some of my Project Pan foundations as well as the new ColourPop. This is a little bit, just a tad bit too dark for me. I think it's actually a little bit too yellow for me. But I do absolutely love this foundation. It's what I have on right now. I think it looks very pretty. I'm going to make this really quick. I am oily. I do find that this sits on my face very well. And it actually lasts for a very long time. Especially for being such a luminous, like, silky foundation. I will recommend using, like, a mattifying primer with this. It does come with a pump. I paid about, I think, like $13, $14 for this, depending on where you get it. The packaging is stunning. I will say though, I think that this is an amazing formula, but I think the shade range needs to be expanded. There's not that many shades in this, and it just needs more, options, more undertones, and it just needs more colors. Like, it has a lot of middle tone ranges, but doesn't have too much in the range for light and dark skin tones, so I'd like to see some more into that and some more different undertones as well. So that would be wonderful if they would do that. That would really make this an even better foundation. But I do love how this sits. I experience no flashback, and it's very blurring, and it looks really pretty. I will say I probably get about, mind you, I do set my foundation with the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. Probably about like after 8 hours, it will start to look a little bit funny around my nose, but that is a trouble zone and I am extremely oily, and this is luminous. I'm hoping in the winter time though, because I get so dry, I find that this would be really nice, and this will probably last probably longer, way longer in the winter time. But in about 8 hours it will start to look kind of weird around my nose, where I might need to fix it up and to make it look a little bit better, because it can look a little makeup-y because the oil is trying to break it down. But all around, I think this is a beautiful foundation. We just need to work on the shade range a little bit, so I think a lot more people would be more satisfied. But I would love to see her also do a matte version as well. But so far I've been loving this. Can't wait to use it a lot more in the winter time, but I totally think it's worth the hype. Totally see why. It looks good blended out with the Beauty Blender, the Fenty sponge, Real Technique sponge, any type of like foundation brush. It all seems to work really well with it. As a side note, I want to start including that in my foundation so that you guys know. But if you are fairer than me, you probably need to lighten this. But all around, I do really love this, and highly recommend it. If you can find a good shade match, definitely try this out. It won't break the bank, and I think you'll really like how it like sits on the skin. I think it just looks really like luminous and really pretty. But definitely recommend this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.